Welcome to the ultimate guide to drawing the human anatomy. As artists, we rely on our knowledge of anatomy every single time we draw or sculpt a character. It's incredibly important and hard. If you've ever struggled with anatomy, perhaps a little or a lot, this is for you. In this 10+ hour long ultimate guide, I'll walk you through how to draw the entire body from head to toes. The course is split in 3 major parts. The first part will be dedicated to drawing the human head, since it's easily the most important body part and one of the hardest to draw. We'll look at all the facial features and how to draw them in different angles, and of course how they all work together, how they all come together to create a complete head. In the second part of the course, we'll begin by learning how to create a simple skeleton to support the rest of the anatomy. And following that, I'll show you how all the important muscles of the torso attach onto it and how to draw them from any angle. The third and final part of the ultimate guide will cover the anatomy of the limbs, including how to draw the hands and the feet. With all this new knowledge, plus some study and practice, you'll be able to create believable and proportionate characters in no time. If you get a blank while working on a new character, simply refer back to the relevant chapter, go over it again, and you'll save a ton of time not having to scout the entire internet for good references, and all the extra tips and tricks from the course should really help you learn all of it significantly faster as well. Now, like most artists, if anatomy has been something that you've been wanting to get better at, make sure you get the ultimate guide to drawing the human anatomy, and get ready to seriously level up your anatomy skills. Don't be surprised if your coworkers or artist friends start getting jealous of your quick progress. It's a documented side effect of taking this course. We have a lot of exciting content to cover, so I'll see you in there.